Hi again, welcome back to Modeliks. In this video you will learn how to add expenses in Modeliks. Click the Add Expense button. First, enter the expense name. Let's start out with a marketing expense, and call it Paid Marketing. Next, select the expense function. Depending on the nature of the expense, this can be sales and marketing, research and development, general and administrative or direct expense. Select Direct Expense, if the expense is directly related to producing the products you sell, or providing the services you render. If you select Direct Expense, the expenses will be categorized as cost of sales. If you select any of the other three, the expenses will be categorized as operating expenses, which are those expenses a business incurs to keep the operations running. Examples include sales and marketing, but also office or shop rent, utilities, any license, banking or municipality fees. Next, decide how you will calculate this expense. If you select dollar value, on the next screen, you will enter the dollar, or other currency value for the expense. If you select percent of revenue, on the next screen, you will define the value of the expense as percent of revenue. You can also choose to set your expense as a percent of a specific revenue stream. Let's select dollar value and click Next. On the input screen, enter how much you plan to spend for this expense. There are few ways to enter data. We explained all data input options in the explanation video, in the revenue section. If you have not seen it yet, it is worth seeing it. Important tips for using Modeliks are explained there. Click Save and Close. And, your expense has already been calculated. You can make changes to your inputs directly on this screen. The blue numbers are editable, and the black numbers are calculations. Alternatively, you can click on the edit icon next to the expense name. It will take you back to the input screens, and you can edit your inputs there. You can add as many expenses as you need. Just click the Add Expense button.